have here example 17 minus negative 11. So the first step is to apply the case C. If the first number, which is 17, change the subtraction sign to addition, and change the sign of the second number. So negative 11 becomes positive 11. So negative 17 minus 11 becomes 17 plus 11. So the step 2 is add the integers. Since the sign are the same, both positive, we just add 17 plus 11. So 17 plus 11 is 28. So the answer is positive 28.